Good afternoon, Kósmos Church, and welcome. We are going to go through pages that provide information on the church. We will be doing this most of this week on the Gospel from Life page, just so you know. Happy Thursday. As we know, Monday, Thursday services are occurring, so therefore we will be doing, the church is closed. Yesterday there was no God's Book of Life due to the fact that bios was closed. So we're just going to give you some information on how to use the website. So here we are on the church calendars page. So to see what happened is this is a modern page, so therefore we will have the glass screen as we mentioned yesterday in our video. So as you scroll down, you'll see all the calendars for the church. These are not updated until the next year. Each calendar will have a corresponding background picture. The pictures will get more and more funny as it's summary as we go along. These pictures were taken in 2016 painstakingly in the month that they were in. We had taken lots of pictures, but we decided to use different ones. This is the month we are in now, and we're right here on the 18th. Today's Monday, Thursday. Happy Monday, Thursday to you. Service starts at 6. Tomorrow is Good Friday. Easter Sunday is the 21st, and St. George's Day is the 23rd. Next month, we will have our prayer garden ordination, as well as our last day of tutoring. Now this is non-event due to the fact that tutoring services have been closed due to the lack of funding. What's supposed to happen soon is that tutoring department website will be taken out of service and there'll be no more access to that website. This is pictures that were taken from during our anniversary. As you can see, the flags on the light poles. One over here, one over here. Church anniversary is supposed to occur on July the 5th. Whatever day it is, church anniversary. Of course, we do have Reflection Day, Pentecost, Family Sunday, or that's what it says, and Father's Day, the 23rd. Chart restock is not a service, but it is a very busy day because all charts from the last year must be done. We must total all the videos and plan our testing. Board exams will be for public purposes, and this will occur throughout the last week of June. July, we get to our 4th church anniversary. Blessed be the Lord's name. Parents' Day is the 14th, and during the month of July, there will only be emergency services. Classes will occur only on Sundays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. But during the month of August, 1st is the Day of Lammas, and we will resume classes also on the 1st. Now, there are many holidays that there won't be services, but they'll be mentioned. First day of Part A tutoring will resume if we recover funding. Grandparents' Day is the 2nd of September 2019. There will be services. We have Step Parents' Day, and fall occurs at 3:50 in the morning. Of course, during October, we'll have our annual Churching at the Stakes meeting for the public. The rest are not for the public. It's supposed to occur Friday. Bill and Bridge Day is a service of one of the most horrible tragedies in Christian history, other than Jesus' death on the cross. Our annual one-day fast will occur on the 25th, and this is the emergency department's 2nd anniversary. Our annual ornament making contest will occur on the 8th, and Christmas decorations. Oh yeah, for the ornament contest, if you make a good ornament, we will actually see to it that it's used as a Christmas decoration. You will produce your ornament and make it as Christmas decoration. Thanksgiving is on the 23rd. Most countries would have it, some countries have it on the last Thursday of the month, which is the 28th. Hence the reason why Christ the King, meaning anytime you see this, it's the denotation code for the church is closed. Go worship on your own. It's almost like a test. Advent does begin on the 1st of December and ends on the last day of the year. It's a month-long process. Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, we'll have Christmas services. Watch night at midnight is watch night service. St. Nicholas Day, employee count, board exam, and of course our First Lady birthday. Chart roundup, winter solstice, and we do clean the church for the last few days, as well as the 29th is the last day of the training academy. We will have it this year. Training academy is only for first semester. It does not go into second semester. January 2020 is blank because we did not plan any holidays for it. And that's your tour of the church calendar. Always remember to hit back to top when you want to return to the top of the page. The next informational area I'd like to take you to is our services category. Some services are out of date, but most are still in effect. If you want to receive the church's newsletter, enter your email address and then click Notify Me. These are all services that the church will provide. Again, the list should be longer, but still. This is our order of service. You'll find more information on services here. You're able to email the church for service, and our electronic cards are here, including the name, the email address, the phone number, and the extension. As well as these are links to our Facebook, Instagram. You can email us, and to our YouTube channel. Our youth services are in effect right now. We do have pages to go to everywhere. And of course, each class we no longer use Blizz. Children's Court is no longer in session. Yes, we do still have Bible study, but now Bible study is for everyone. We used to have interactive classroom, but now it's just regular classroom. There's been talks about bringing it back though, but the new classroom is more effective and more interactive, so I don't see why. Emergency 24-hour services. This is what you must do and complete. Pause the video to read better and what to expect. Also, this stands for Baptist, but we're no longer a Baptist church. For business use, this is fast track, and of course, we do have a video here. Remember, back to top button always solves your problems. Some pages of the website will be closed. If you do manage to access a closed website, you will automatically see this message. We apologize, but the Bios Baptist Church Nazarene Guard, which here's the other name of it, webpage is going to be closed for an extended period of time or due to no staff or being in need of repair. Let me show you another iconic closed message. Oh, this is just our special events page. Christmas is still there, but this needs to be changed. Right here. So this is Bios Baptist Church website. Believe it or not, when we changed the church's name to Kósmos, we tore down and completely demolished this website. This used to be the Bios Baptist Church website. And then we moved everything onto a new web page and made the Bios Kósmos Church website literally from scratch. Some things were transferred, as you can see, but most of it was made from scratch